talk about cholesterol. Of course, you heard this name a lot in your life. So, what is a cholesterol? Cholesterol is one of the derived lipid. It's unlike other lipids because it's containing 4-ring structure. The cholesterol is amphipathic lipid and it's one of the sterols, okay, the group that's called sterols, and is derived from steroid nucleus. This diagram can show you steroid nucleus. In the chemistry, okay, of some biomolecules, they are containing steroid nucleus. One of them is cholesterol. Generally, its chemical structure, okay, cholesterol containing cyclopentano perhydrophenanthine ring, okay, and please be careful to this name, cyclopentano perhydrophenanthine ring. It's also containing hydroxyl group, 2-methyl group, and long side chain. If we have a look in this diagram, it's showing the cholesterol, the ring, plus the hydroxyl group, plus the side chain and the 2-methyl group. Okay, the cholesterol is found in the animal tissue, so it's not in the plant tissue, it's in animal tissue. Its importance in that it has a role in the synthesis of steroid hormone, in the synthesis also of vitamin D, and in the synthesis of sex hormone. Cholesterol, as you remember from the cell biology, it's one of the most important constituent of the cell membrane. It has a role in the disease which is called atherosclerosis. Of course, you do remember when we talked about atherosclerosis in the last lecture, okay? If we have a look at these two diagrams, we can see some accumulations of the cholesterol in the blood vessels. These two diagrams are sectioning the blood vessels, okay, and you can see the yellow color is the accumulation of the lipid, okay. Cholesterol also has a role in the synthesis of the bile salts, and we don't have to forget that it's one of the components of the lipoprotein. Generally, its normal level is less than 220 milligram per deciliter. If there is increase in the level of the cholesterol, we can call it hypercholesterolemia. Okay. The second type of the derived lipid is ergosterol. From its name, it has kind of similarity to cholesterol, but ergosterol, okay, is different structurally from cholesterol because it has extra double bond. If you look at the diagram that's showing ergosterol, you will see the extra double bond. Also, its side chain is unsaturated and there is extra methyl group. Okay, ergosterol generally can be present in plant. Okay, also there is calciferols, which is cholecalciferol and ergocalciferol, and it gives rise to vitamin D. Vitamin D, of course, in the enzymes you will study it very well, but generally you need to know some information about vitamin D. Vitamin D is one of the lipid-soluble vitamins. The lipid-soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K. Okay? To remember them, you can say ADIC. So, vitamin D is one of the most important fat or lipid soluble vitamins. Also, one of the derived lipids is bile acid and also bile salt. There are two types of the bile acids, either primary or secondary. Okay, the difference between the secondary bile acid from the primary one is that the secondary has no hydroxyl group at carbon number 7. The bile acid, when it's conjugated with glycine and taurine, we can call it bile salt. Okay, generally it's important for digestion and absorption of lipid because it will do what for the fat? It will do a process which is called emulsification. Okay, other type of derived lipid are steroid hormones as estrogen, progesterone, which can be found in the female, and in the male can find androgens. Adrenal cortical hormones as glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids, also all of these are steroid hormones. Please read and study well. Thank you.